Hi everyone, welcome to How Tech. My name is Sam. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get the notification every time I post a video. Also, please like this video and if it was helpful to you. Also, please write in the comment if you have any recommendations and anything you want me to cover. I'll be happy to do it. So let's get started. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a pivot table. A pivot table is an interactive way to quickly summarize large data. It is a powerful tool to calculate, summarize, and analyze data. It can also let you see comparison and patterns uh, in the data set that you want to analyze. So, to get started, you'll just select the data that you want to create a pivot table of. We'll just do the first column, shift last column, so it will cover all the data, and then insert, and then click on pivot table, and then from table slash range. And then here you have the option to select a new worksheet or existing worksheet. But for this one, I'll be creating a new worksheet. So if you do existing worksheet, you have to put in the location that you want to put the put pivot table. You could do that, but I prefer to create a new worksheet here. So this is the data that we just we'll be using to create a table. So we can create a table using whatever we like. So, but we will like states, SAT verbal, and SAT math. So we'll just like these three things for this video. You can add any of these things that you like, or you just click on it and it'll be added to the table. So if I had to add region, I'll just click on here and it will just add region here. If you want to add population, we click on this and it will just add population to the table. Okay, but we'll be, okay, now let's create a chart. Now I'll show you how to create a chart. So create a chart, you just go to insert, pivot chart, and then click on pivot chart. So it is going to give you all the charts that you want to create. You can create a line chart, you can create a column chart, bar chart, pie chart. Some of the data is not going to let you create all kind of charts because the data is organized differently and not all the charts are created. But for this video, we'll be just doing a bar chart. Just click on bar chart. So here you see the chart. This is interactive chart, and here are a bunch of buttons that you can, bunch of buttons and legends that you can use. So here the blue one is representing some of the SAT verbal, and then the orange one is representing SAT math. This is also interactive chart. So if you want to create a, and here this is the table that we just created. So this is the table, and at the end it just give you a grand total. Okay. So for this, we want to see information for a specific state. We can just put Virginia. Okay, this, and then we just select Virginia. Now you see we just have information for Virginia, and here the filter applied to this table that we created as well. We can also add a uh, teacher pay to this, so we can add more things to this if we like. So if we click teacher pay, we'll just create a new column for it and give us the teacher pay only for Virginia. And in the table, the teacher pay is also added to the chart. And these are a bunch of filters that you can apply. You can do drag and drops. You can, like, if you want to put a filter as a state, you can put that here. And this one is not going to do anything, but you can apply a bunch of filters here. You can also change legends and things like that. um, these are a bunch of values that you see on the top here. You can add more things to it there as well. And that is about it. So this is a sort of an interactive chart. You can choose it to however you like. You can of course filter it, make it better, make it to your liking. It all depends on how you want to do it. So if you want to create a different chart, we can definitely do that. Let's we can look for a different chart or a different let's see, so different color charts. You can also change colors to it. uh, And that is about it for this video. So let me know if you like this video, and if you want me to create any other topic that you're interested in, I'll be happy to do it. Anything related to Excel, data analysis. I have experience with Python or SQL. Uh, Also experience with Tableau or Power BI and a bunch of other data analysis tools that are used in a variety of industries. Please hit that like button at the end and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.